Ever wondered how the Amish keep their homes so spotless without modern cleaning gadgets? Stick around, because today we're revealing 20 Amish cleaning hacks that will make your home sparkle in minutes. No expensive chemicals needed. You won't believe number 7. It's a game changer. All right, let's kick things off with 5 Amish cleaning hacks that work like magic. Forget store-bought cleaners. Mix equal parts vinegar and water, add a few drops of lemon or lavender oil, and boom, you've got a powerful, chemical-free cleaner that works on everything. Mix olive oil with white vinegar and a dash of lemon juice. Wipe it on wooden floors for a natural shine. No toxic waxes needed. Your stainless steel looking dull? Sprinkle flour on it and buff it out with a dry cloth. The Amish swear by this hack to keep steel shining like new. Tired of streaky glass? Ditch the paper towels. Use crumpled newspaper and vinegar to get crystal clear windows every time. Amish homes love their cast iron, but rust is the enemy. After cleaning, rub a thin layer of salt and oil to keep it seasoned and rust-free. Simple, effective, and chemical-free. Ready for more? Let's keep going. Sprinkle baking soda on your mattress, let it sit for 15 minutes, then vacuum it up. This removes odors and moisture, just like the Amish do. Ever walked into an Amish home and wondered why it smells so fresh? They place small bowls of white vinegar in different corners to absorb odors naturally. Say goodbye to artificial air fresheners. Mix lemon juice with olive oil and rub it on wooden furniture. This not only cleans but conditions the wood, keeping it looking brand new. Sprinkle cornstarch over carpets. Wait 10 minutes, then vacuum. It absorbs odors and refreshes carpets naturally. Who needs expensive carpet powders? Mix baking soda with water to make a paste. Rub it on silverware, rinse, and watch your silver sparkle like never before. We're halfway through, but the best is yet to come. They use real goose feathers for dusting. Why? Because they trap dust instead of just spreading it around. If you can find one, it's a must-have. Wooden spoons absorb odors and stains. Boil them in vinegar water, and they'll be as good as new. Cut a potato in half, dip it in baking soda, and rub it on rusted kitchen tools. The Amish use this hack to keep their tools in top shape. Instead of using vacuum cleaners, Amish homes use straw brooms with firm, even strokes to sweep efficiently without raising dust clouds. Drop a couple of denture tablets into your toilet overnight, and in the morning, stains wipe away effortlessly. Let's finish strong with 5 more hacks you need to try. Rub half a lemon with salt on your cutting board to disinfect and remove stains naturally. Use a mix of white vinegar and rubbing alcohol with a microfiber cloth. No streaks, no smudges, just a perfect reflection. Rub cucumber peels on faucets and stainless steel for a natural chemical-free shine. The Amish place dried lavender inside pillowcases for a natural soothing scent. No artificial sprays needed. Add a cup of vinegar to your wash cycle. It brightens clothes, removes odors, and softens fabrics naturally. No need for fabric softeners. And there you have it, 20 powerful Amish cleaning hacks to keep your home spotless with zero harsh chemicals. Which hack are you trying first? Let us know in the comments. And if you found these tips helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon for more awesome content. Thanks for watching and happy cleaning.